I'm going to be making some elderflower cordial using these lovely flowers and some of another bush I'll show you. Lovely Sambucus nigra, a black beauty elderberry I bought last year. Growing it in a pot, and it's given me some lovely flowers. I've just picked some, but these are really ready. And I'm going to be adding these to my elderflower cordial. Picked about 20 heads of ordinary elderflowers and my beautiful black beauty elderflower, and cut most of the stems off, left a few, but cut most of the major stems off. I've taken 1.5 litres of, I boiled it, boiling water, and I've added 2 kilos of sugar to this. And once the sugar is now dissolved, I'm going to add my other ingredients. I also have got 2 lemons, and I've got the zest, and chopped the lemons into slices. The sugar syrupy stuff is now coming to a boil, so I'm going to turn it off. I've washed the elderflowers. Now I'm going to add the elderflowers and lemons, and let it steep in overnight. So the elderflower cordial has been standing for 24 hours, and I'm now going to strain it. I've put a muslin into my sieve and pour it in the liquid. Slowly has to filter through. And now do the rest. I'm going to put the elderflower and that lemon onto the compost heap. Lift it up. You see it go through quite quickly. This is the elderflower cordial, which I've put in the bottle and I keep in the fridge. That's mainly because I don't use any additives in it. It's very nice with sparkly water and some ice cubes. I love the colour of the red elderflowers.